Hi guys, I got so many accessories recently, so let's see what I got. That's a lot. And let me show you guys this Louis Vuitton bracelet. It's a Louis Vuitton cuba chain bracelet. Let me wear it for you guys. I really love the color combinations here. Orange, the black, the silver. It looks so cool and unique and fresh and young. And I also got another Louis Vuitton bracelet here. It's a silver one, but this one is kind of big, so I have to return it because it's too long. I mean, the size is too long, see? You can see the details here. The silver one looks more dramatic, looks more bold. I personally prefer this one because it's more refreshing, you know. I found this brand EEKE online. It's kind of a new designer brand. Got 3 pieces from them, so let's see this necklace. I really love the half metal and half pearl design, and with a cute lock design here. Let's try it. And there's also a really tiny eye-style chain here. It's a bit cool and delicate at the same time. So that's why I got this, because it's kind of unisex. I got this necklace from them. It's like a similar design. You can see a heart-shaped purple color crystal here. You can see there's also really tiny eye-style chain here. Do you guys like this one? You know I love rings, right? I got this ring from the same brand. It's really shiny. Another brand is called MIF. It's also a new brand. Their designs are a bit like avant-garde, so let's see. Check out this star-shaped necklace. It feels like mysterious universe, you know. This one is a bit long. I'm not sure if you can see it. This ring from the same brand is so unique. It looks like a piece of silk. It's hard, but it feels like soft, you know. And the color is so unique. I never seen rings like this, and you can adjust the size here. And I also got a pair of earrings from this brand. It's the star-shaped earrings with crystals in the middle. It's really shiny. I don't know why I love shiny stuff. Kind of unisex, so special. See? I also got so many accessories from this Chinese brand called AJIDOU. Let me show you the necklace here. Pearl with a black chain and with a mysterious cat here. It's so cute. It's really cool and unisex. And I also got the same design bracelet from this brand. Similar design with the pearls and black chain and with a small cat here. I just really love the design. And also this ring is from the same collection. They have even more designs from this collection, like this tiny black little stars from the same collection. And there's even more. I also got some earrings from this same collection. Symmetrical star earrings. Today I'm going to wear these earrings and take some photos. This one has 3 stars. It's so cute. Let me wear the other one. The other one is a black little star with a tiny crystal in the middle. I also got one necklace from the Hermes. I chose the black rose gold color. The material is actually silver, you know. This one is really short. So if you have big collar size, maybe you shouldn't get this one because it might be too tight. But it looks cute though. Actually, there are more accessories I got recently, so I will share more with you guys in the next video. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. Love you guys. Bye bye.